Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janani. Today I'm going to show you how I made these watercolor effect earrings using polymer clay. For this project, I mixed these gorgeous pastel colors and then I rolled them into about 1mm thickness sheets. All of the tools and supplies I'll be using today will be linked down at the description box. I began laying my gold leaf on top of the polymer clay and smoothing it by fingers. Then I ripped away the excess using a needle tool, a blade, or even my fingers. I repeat doing the same thing to the other two colors. Make sure you only do one side of the polymer clay sheet. Then I stacked all three sheets so that the gold leaf is sandwiched in between. Then I cut it in half and stacked them again. You can repeat this step several times, but I'm just gonna stop here, and then I am going to push in the sides to make sure all the layers are compressed. Here comes the fun part. Starting from the non-gold leaf side, I am just slicing away little uneven pieces of clay. You can see it's really nice. You can see the watercolor effect coming up. After I cut as many pieces as I could get, I rolled a piece of scrap clay and laid the watercolor pieces on it. Unfortunately, my camera decided not to film this part, but I do have another video using the same technique. I will link it right at the right hand corner up there, and you can go ahead and check that out. Then I laid a piece of parchment paper and using my little roller, I made sure that my surface is a little smoother. I felt like there was not enough gold leaf, so I added some more gold leaf. Again, here I'm trying to make sure my surface is smooth, and then next I am going to put this piece through the pastel machine to get my desired thickness to start cutting the shapes for the earrings. Using my cookie cutters, here I am cutting my shapes for the earrings. do not have any cookie cutters, you can always cut your shape using a cardboard. You can lay it down and then trace it around and cut it. Next, I bake my pieces according to the instructions on the packaging. Make sure you sand your pieces so your pieces can look professional and it will not have any ragged edges or it will not get cut on anything. After I sand my pieces, I added all the hardware, the earring bags, and I also did a varnish on it because it has gold leaf. And that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you leave a like, a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.